Welcome back to the Best Reviews channel, your go-to source for discovering smart, stylish, and practical products for your home. Today, we're exploring 5 oversized modular sectionals designed to bring comfort, flexibility, and modern design into your living space. Let's get started. Number 5. The Legend Vansen. This oversized convertible sectional is designed for versatility, offering a spacious layout that can transition between L-shaped and U-shaped configurations. Upholstered in soft, premium corduroy fabric, it delivers a cozy, cloud-like seating experience with deep 22-inch seats supported by high-density foam and spring cushioning. The design includes removable back cushions for easy cleaning, while the seat cushions stay securely in place for stability. With a durable build supporting up to 660 pounds per unit, this sectional is built for everyday use, and its convertible sofa bed functionality adds extra sleeping space when needed. Number 4. The LLappuil corduroy storage modular sectional. This 114-inch modular sofa is built for both comfort and practicality, featuring hidden storage compartments beneath each seat and within the ottoman. Upholstered in plush corduroy, it offers a warm, modern look that fits well in a variety of living spaces. The modular design allows you to rearrange the layout easily, including moving the chaise to either side. Each seat is generously sized, providing deep, comfortable seating, while the fully removable and machine-washable covers make maintenance simple and convenient. Number 3. The Mopio oversized modular sectional. This 131-inch modern sectional focuses on clean design and everyday functionality. It features a low-profile, cloud couch look with medium firm support, offering a balance between comfort and structure. One standout feature is its tool-free assembly, allowing modules to lock into place quickly and easily. The sofa also includes built-in storage beneath the seats, along with fully removable and washable covers across all sections, including the base and armrests. Constructed with an FSC-certified wood frame, each seat supports up to 300 pounds, ensuring durability over time. Number 2. The WJShome oversized L-shaped sectional. This expansive 141-inch sectional is designed to create a relaxed, lounge-style environment with its wide and deep seating. Upholstered in high-quality corduroy fabric, it offers a soft, textured feel, along with a modern, minimalist aesthetic. The sectional includes a reversible ottoman that can be repositioned for different layouts or used as additional seating. Its cloud-like comfort comes from its plush cushioning design, while the durable, wrinkle-resistant fabric helps maintain its appearance over time. Removable cushion covers also make cleaning more manageable. Number 1. The LLappuil corduroy convertible adjustable sectional. This 112-inch modular sectional emphasizes flexibility and personalized comfort. It features adjustable backrests and armrests that can be tilted to different angles, allowing users to switch between upright seating and a more relaxed lounging position. Upholstered in soft corduroy fabric, it combines durability with a rich texture. The design also includes built-in storage under the seats and a fully modular structure that can be rearranged to suit different room layouts. Its compact size makes it a practical option for standard living rooms, while still offering generous seating space. Thanks for watching Best Reviews. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews. Drop a comment below and let us know what you'd like to see next. See you in the next video.